Hi students, this is 10th class, chapter 3 algebra, exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Simplify. First subdivision 4x square y by 2z square into 6x z cube by 20 y power 4. Here multiplication only our operation. So just subtract the greater powers for same variables. Here x square, here x power 1. And denominator there is no x. So first eliminate the constant terms. 4x square into y into 6x z cube divided by 2z square into 20 y power 4. Cancel by 2 table, 2 1 times, 2 3 times, 4 1 times, 4 5s are 20. Here variables, there is no x in denominators. Here z square, here z cube. So z square, from z cube subtract the power. 3 minus 2 is 1. So z power 1 is remainder. Here 1 y, here y power 4. So here subtract the power. Here only a greater power. So subtract and write 3. First write the constant terms. 3 in numerator, 5 in denominator. And denominator variable is y cube. Numerator x square into here 1x. So x square into x power 1 means x cube. Add the powers. That is multiplication. Here is the power 1. So this is answer for the question. Now third subdivision 5t cube by 4t minus 8 into 6t minus 12 by 10t. First by taking common terms, here common term is 4t minus 2. In numerator 60 is common, t minus 2. Here 10t. Cancel by 5 table, by 1 times, by 2 times. Here 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This t minus 2 get cancelled. Here t cube, here t power 1. So this t, from this t cube, t square is there. So what are the constant terms? This 3, t square. This is numerator. Denominator here 1 2, here 1 2. 2 2s are 4. This is answer for this question. Now from exercise 3.5 question number 2. Simplify. First subdivision x plus 4 by 3x plus 4x into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 2x square plus 3x minus 20. So find the factors. Here x plus 4, here 3x plus 4y. These are linear factors. Here this 3x square can be written as 3x the whole square minus 4y the whole square divided by, this is one quadratic expression. So factorize like this. Here coefficient of x square is 2, constant term is minus 20. Multiply this to minus 2 into minus 20 minus 40. Coefficient of x is plus 3. So 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 here, 5 here. Greater number is plus, smaller number is minus. Here our coefficient is 2. So divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. Now cancel 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So plus 4. 4 by 1. Here minus 5 by 2 is next factor. So this denominator can be written as are factors for this quadratic expression. Now numerator, the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. Identity for that, x plus 4 3x plus 4y into a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b in place of a 3x. So 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y divided by x plus 4 into 2x minus 5. Now cancel. These two terms get cancelled. Here x plus 4 get cancelled. Remaining terms 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. This is answer for this question. Now from exercise 3.5 question number 2, second subdivision, x cube minus y cube by 3x square plus 9xy plus 6y square into x square plus 2xy plus y square by x square minus y square. And these are simply identity only. A square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. Here x plus y the whole square. Here identity x square minus y square factor forms x minus y into x plus y. Here a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So numerator can be written as x minus y. A cube minus b cube formula a minus b into another factor. This one factor, another factor is a square. Here x square. Here minus with this term plus xy plus y square, which is b square. This is formula for this. Divided by this denominator, 3 get this common. So x square plus xy plus y square remaining terms. Into this is a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b the whole square. Here x plus y the whole square. X square minus y square is a square minus b square, that is x minus y into x plus y. Now cancel this x square plus xy plus y square, this x square plus xy plus y square get cancelled. Here x plus y the whole square. Here x plus y whole power 1. So subtract the power. Same base, subtract the powers. So this term get cancelled. Here and the power balance 1. Remaining terms, since our identity, here what identity, a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is identity for a cube minus b cube for factor form. Here in a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. Here a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. These are identity used here. Remaining terms, numerator x minus y into x plus y. X minus y into x plus y. This term cancelled and denominator this 3 into x minus y. Again x minus y get cancelled. So x plus y by 3 is the correct answer for this question. Now exercise 3.5 third question, simplify. First subdivision, 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6 divided by a square plus 6a plus 5 divided by minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. Here division operation is given. So put first find factors for this quadratic expressions. Then put reciprocal for this fraction. So write the factors of this one in numerator, factors of this one in denominator and simplify. So first time constant term. 2 3s are 6. Here coefficient of A is plus 5. Factors 2 3s are 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 is plus 5. So here coefficient is other than 1 means divide this multiplicative factors by 2. 2 2 get cancel 1. So this term can be written as denominator is 2. It is quadratic in terms of A. So first factor is 2A plus 3 into, here denominator is 1. So write simply A plus 1. These are factors for this expression. Now second denominator is 2A square plus 7A plus 6. Multiply the coefficient of A square into constant term is 2 6 are 12. Plus 12. Here coefficient of A is plus 8, 7. 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. Here plus plus means both the factors are plus plus only. Here coefficient is other than 1. So here 2 divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. So plus 2. Denominator is 1. So this factor can be written as A plus 2 into denominator is 2. So 2A plus 3. These are factors for this one. Here A square plus 6A plus 5. Here coefficient is 1. So 1 5s are 5. Plus 5. Here coefficient of A is plus 6. Plus 5 plus 6. So both the plus means 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Coefficient is 1 here. So our factors are A plus 5 into A plus 1. For this minus 5 is common. So A square plus 7A plus 10. Write this minus 5 here first. Then find the factors. Here plus 10. Coefficient of A is 7 plus 7. Here also both the factors are plus plus. 5 2s are 10. So 5 plus 2 7. This minus 5 into A plus 5 into A plus 2. These are factors for this one. Now substitute here. This first, this numerator can be written as factors for this. Here 2A plus 3 into A plus 1 divided by A plus 2 into 2A plus 3 divided by factors for this expression A plus 5 into A plus 1 divided by minus 5 into A plus 5 into A plus 2. Here our operation is division, so put reciprocal for this fraction. Right? First fraction is 2A plus 3 into A plus 1 divided by A plus 2 into 2A plus 3. This division symbol changes into product symbol. Denominator is minus 5 into A plus 5 into A plus 2. Denominator is A plus 5 into A plus 1. Now cancel the factors. Here 1A plus 1, here 1A plus 1. get cancel. A plus 2, this A plus 2 get cancel. This 2A plus 3, 2A plus 3 get cancel. So all the factors are cancelled. Remaining this constant term only, that is minus 5. That is our answer for this question. Now third question, third subdivision. X plus 2 by 4y divided by x square minus x minus 6 divided by 12y square. Here also the operation division is given. So you should put reciprocal for this fraction. X plus 2 is linear factor. So write like this, 4y divided by, here our factors are, this only quadratic expression here. The denominator is 12y square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. Here constant term is minus 6. 1 6 are 6 minus 6. Coefficient of x is minus 1. So 3 2s are 6. 3 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus plus minus minus means greater number minus smaller number plus. Always write the greater number above here, and below write the smaller number. So minus minus means minus plus is signs for factors. So this quadratic expression can be written as x minus 3, next x plus 2. So here operation is division. So first write this division symbol into symbol. Reciprocal 12y square divided by x minus 3 into x plus 2. Now cancel this x plus 2 get cancelled. 4 table 4 1 times, 3 4s are 12, y this y square. So 3y is numerator, denominator is x minus 3. That's all. This is answer. Now from exercise 3.5, fourth question. If x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3 and y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 by 2a square minus 2a minus 4, find the values of x square into y power minus 2. This is nothing but x square divided by y square. So first take x. X is a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3. Here 3 table is common in the denominator. So denominator becomes 3 into a square minus 1. 3 into a square minus 1. Numerator is a quadratic. So solve. Here minus 4. 1 into minus 4 coefficient of a is plus 3. 4 1s are 4. Here minus, here plus means plus minus. So 4 minus 1 is plus 3. 4 1s are 4, plus into minus minus. So numerator can be written as a plus 4 because this is quadratic in terms of a. So factors are a plus 4 into a minus 1. Denominator is a plus 4 into a minus 1 is numerator. Denominator can be written as 3 into a square minus 1 square. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. Numerator is a plus 4 to a minus 1. Denominator 3 into, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. A minus 1 into a plus 1. Now a minus 1 get cancelled. So remaining terms a plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1. This is x. But we want x square. A plus 4 by 3 into a plus 1 whole square means a plus 4 whole square divided by square is common for numerator and denominators 3 square into a plus 1 the whole square. This is x square. Now simplify y. Y is a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. In denominator 2 table is common. Numerator is a quadratic. By factorization here minus 8 4 2s are 8 minus plus means greater number plus smaller number minus 4 minus 2 is plus 2 plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8. Okay, so numerator can be written as a plus 4 into a minus 4. First denominator 2 table is common, so a square minus a minus 2. Now it is a quadratic. Again factorize minus 2. Here coefficient of a is minus 1, so 2 ones are 2. Here greater number is minus, smaller number is plus. So a plus 4 into a minus 4. A plus 4 a minus 2. Yeah, denominator is 2. Factors for this expression a minus 2 into a plus 1. Here a minus 2. Now this a minus 2 get cancelled. A plus 4 divided by 2 into a plus 1. This is our y, but we want y square. That means a plus 4 by 2 into a plus 1 the whole square. Square is common for numerator and denominator. Numerator is a plus 4 the whole square. Denominator is 2 square into a plus 1 the whole square. This 2 square a plus 4 whole square can be written as a plus 4 into a plus 4 divided by 2 square is 4 a plus 1 into a plus 1, because here a plus 1 whole square means we can write like this. Now our question is find the value of x square into y power minus 2. X square into y power minus 2 can be written as x square by y square. Minus power means that is denominator. Now x square is here our x a plus 4 into a plus 4, that is x square divided by 3 square is 9 into a plus 1 into a plus 1. This is our numerator divided by y square. Y square is a plus 4 into a plus 4. No. Yes. A plus 4 into a plus 4. That is a plus 4 the whole square divided by 4 into a plus 1 into a plus 1. This x square divided by y square means put reciprocal get cancelled. This a plus 1, get cancelled. A plus 4, this a plus 4, get cancelled. So remaining terms 4 by 9. The answer for the value x square into y power minus 2. Now exercise 3.5, fifth question. If a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 14 divided by another polynomial q of x, we get x minus 7 by x plus 2. Find q of x. When polynomial p of x is divided by q of x, that means what is given? P of x divided by q of x is equal to x minus 7 by x plus 2. This is given. Among this, p of x is given. Q of x only we want to find. So p of x, again divided by symbol means put into symbol, then put reciprocal for this q of x. Reciprocal of q of x is 1 by q of x. X minus 7 by x plus 2. What is p of x? P of x is x square minus 5x minus 14 into this 1 by q of x equal to x minus 7 by x plus 2. This is quadratic. Therefore find factors. Factorization minus 14. Here coefficient of x is minus 5. 7 2s are 14. 7 minus 2 is minus 5. So minus minus means minus plus. So here coefficient of x square is 1. So leave it. Write the factors as x minus 7 into x plus 2. 1 divided by q of x equal to x minus 7 into divided by x plus 2. Here only our unknown. So transfer by cross multiplication. This denominator goes that side means write in numerator. So same thing. Here transfer this fraction to this side means this denominator goes numerator. This numerator goes here denominator. So x minus 7 into x plus 2 is already in NHS side. This denominator goes to numerator into x plus this 2 divided by this x minus 7 is equal to here only q of x. Now cancel this 2. X minus 7 we cancel. Remaining term x plus 2 into x plus 2. So x plus 2 the whole square. This is our q of x. Therefore q of x is, it is a plus b whole square format. So a square plus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x plus b square is 2 square, that is 4. This is our q of x.